Hi guys, welcome to Man Cave Models. Hope you've all had a good week. Hope if you've been building, hope you've been busy building. Yeah, so this week we paint this bad boy. And if you watch the video, you'll see how we got to this point. So yeah, it's a bit of a pig to paint because it's so big. But it's alright, we're getting there. So got a bit more to do, like chipping and all sorts to do on this. But yeah guys, if you're liking the videos guys, please like and subscribe. Lets me know you're enjoying the videos. Check us out on the Facebook group Man Cave Models UK. I will shut up and we'll get on with this. Right, back over the bench. Everything's been grey primered, and I mean everything. Yeah, this thing takes up loads of room. Just over my chair a minute. I feel a bit low, I don't know why. Yeah, so everything's been grey primed. So we're going to, nothing technical about it. I'd like to say we'll try and film everything on this, but the problem I have, it's just room. This thing's so big. Certain things are hard to film. So we're gonna try our best either way. If it's big areas like this, and there's no point really. Sorry, I've got my big bunts in the head in the way. Just drop some. So we grey priming everything, and we're going to go around all the edges now. With there you go. With like a dark mahogany. On mighty, well, I've done some of the Jeep, which I probably get away with. Nah, I don't know if I can get away with showing you. Yeah, look, I've just testing a bit over the top. So we're gonna go. That's what we're trying to get at the end of the day. Is an effect like that, but obviously with more. This was just a dusting over. So with more colour to it, but that's a job we'll be doing in a bit. Not right away. We need to get this done first, and so I won't be doing the Jeep itself unless there's a few bits that I need to do on it. I will be doing. I've done the easy stuff, so to speak. So we've got about 50,000 jerry cans to do, and we've got obviously the wheels to do, sandbar to do, or if that's what you call it, and I've these to, not sure whether I might just spray these, and I've done, because you're not going to see them once they're in place, because they go on there like that, like so, and that will go in with a couple of bolts on there. We'll have to make, throw it in place. That will go like that, and I'm showing you, I can't see, so I need to mark this, because obviously I've changed where I am, and the problem I have is keeping you in shot, because I can't see what I'm doing, but anyhow, I'm sure I'll get there in a minute. So let's get some paint ready. Oh, by the way guys, I'm using the Mr. Surfacer mahogany. That says black, but it was like I had a bit of black left, so I mixed it all together just to give it a little bit, make it a little bit darker. So I'm using that as my go around, and it's thinned about 50-50 this. So it's quite thin, and when I start spraying I'll have to turn the thing on, so you won't have to listen to me gabbering, but you have to have right dodgy music instead. That's all our bits with the brown added. God, all that stuff stinks. Even with the extraction going, it's like, oh. But we'll let that dry off and then come back and dust it over with the Tamiya aerosols, but we'll just let it back after a bit of drying time, which is cool. So we're going to dust over some of this with the Tamiya's aerosol, which is that one. It says there XF60, I think, yeah, or TS3, which is XF60 if you're spraying it. And this is only it's only going to be a top coat. We will change the tone a little bit, but all I'm doing is make sure you can see what I'm doing. All we're doing is just going over the top. Can you see that? Let's move a few things a bit more. I know, that's what I mean. It's lots of parts, isn't it? Is that? Is this? I'll do it and talk, and then I'll put the extraction on. Is we're just doing that. God, I hate aerosols, by the way. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Right, doing the one more. Not going to go mad with it for a minute. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. All right. So right, so it's had a bit of drying time. We're going to go over it with the XF60, which is the same as the spray that we use. I'm going to highlight it with a little bit of buff, which is Tamiya's XF57, just to tone it down a tad. So yeah, so I'll stop talking because I need to turn the extraction on. Right, that's the first round of that. We're going to go again with a little bit lighter again, and see how it looks from there. Right, I think this may be the last round of it, so let's get that done. Right, we're just going to go one shade lighter, and that is, I'm calling it, that's all I'm going to do with the shading then. Alright. So we've got a couple of little jobs to do before we finish with the spray gun. So I'm just going to do one jerry can in an olive drab. I'll do the flimsy in an olive drab, and then I've got to do German grey on the couple jerry cans. So so I've got the Tamir's olive drab, which is the XF62, and I've added desert yellow to it, the XF60, just to tone it down a bit because it'll be quite dark otherwise. And obviously all these are going to get a bit duffed up anyway, so hence why I didn't really want them to be too dark. So I'll get the extraction going and we'll get on. So that's them base coated. Not going crazy because we're going, like I say, we're going to duff these up. So they got a slight colour to them. By the time we beat them up a little bit, so then we're going to swap now to a couple of jerry cans. We'll do them in the German grey and then highlight that German grey slightly. So I'll just whack the extraction back on. Right guys, that's everything base coated. So we've got the grey, the green, may not look like a lot at the moment. Yeah, it may not look a lot at the moment, but it's got to get a little bit of a duffing yet, so and the green, it's quite a light olive. So. And the flimsy is probably the wrong colour for the flimsy, I think, but we'll stick with it. So yeah, but we'll just, that's it for all the painting for a minute, for spraying and everything. So we'll get back to the bench. So guys, there's all our spraying done. This is just the beginning of the paint job, mind you. So it's nice and neat and tidy at the moment. But yes, that's it. We've got a couple of different jet coloured cans now. Trouble is, it's such a big kit, and I've got to go back a fair old distance to try and get everything in shot. Sorry about the light. What I need is a big turntable, really. Yeah, that's our paint job done, guys. That's it for this video, because the next one's going to be like chipping and a bit of oil washing and all sorts of bits and bobs. So I don't know if it's going to be a long video or not, but I've got a few extra little jobs to do in the meantime, like spray paint the guns black to start off with as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Like I said at the beginning, please like and subscribe, and if you want to look at this on our Facebook group, which is Man Cave Models UK, come along, have a look. If you're doing a build of it, post your pics on there, more than welcome. Good bunch of people, there's not many, it's slowly growing, but, and I mean slow, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, that's this week, and so all I can say is get on and build something, and I'll see you next week, guys. Cheers.